Good afternoon, 47. The wedding ceremony is about to begin with Lang and his daughter arriving shortly by car. It is expected that they will proceed directly to the open area where the groom and priest is waiting, along with all the wedding guests. Guillaume Maison has been on site all day, preparing the wedding details and entertaining guests. I expect he will also attend the ceremony. Doris Lee is en route via helicopter and should be arriving any minute now. My intel suggests she will not be watching the bride and groom exchange vows, but do keep a lookout anyway. We are working within a limited window of opportunity here, 47. We expect the targets to stay for no longer than 15 minutes. Good luck, 47. Out of mind. That is Guillaume Maison, the Kingfisher, former Interpol agent and the owner of the mansion and its grounds. Maison is confirmed killed. Well done, 47. Nice shot, 47. Very clever, 47. They will not discover the body there. "47, someone's onto you." "47, code red. Everyone is evacuating." "47, you must stop Lee before she reaches an exit." Lang is confirmed killed. Doris Lee confirmed killed. work, 47. Yang national poet, has been kidnapped from his suburban home. Ledong defected to the US during a meeting at the United Nations some years ago and has been living under witness protection ever since. Your targets are Jin Nu, Lom Kwai, and Ri Thak, 3 key members of Sun Po's military elite known as the Heavenly Guard. The 3 are in Singapore to secure Mr. and Mrs. Ledong, who've been smuggled from the US in a shipping container. The Ledongs are expected to be transported back to Kandanyang for a public execution to celebrate the birthday of the country's dictator, Sun Po. The targets are preparing to transfer Ledong and his wife to an awaiting cargo ship. The 3 are under orders not to allow Han Ledong to escape again, so keep this one quiet, 47. Should the alarm be raised, we expect 1 or more of the targets to try to eliminate the hostages. They must survive for the mission to be a success. Good luck. The situation is about to get out of hand. "47, code red. Everyone is evacuating." "47, the Blade is on the move. I think he's running for the hostages. Don't let him get to Ledong." "Jin Nu has his blade out, 47. He's about to kill the hostage." The Heavenly Guard has been taken care of. I'll get an extraction team to secure the hostages. Excellent work, 47. Welcome to Siberia, 47. One of the harshest climates on the planet. Your destination is the privately owned Perm 14 prison facility, located near the freezing Siberian tundra. Here, you're tasked with the elimination of Vitaly Reznikov, warden at the prison, and Roman Kabko, renowned Russian mobster with suspected political ties. Roman Kabko has been a prisoner at Perm 14 for the past decade, but has functioned more as a second-in-command than a prisoner. Now he wants out and has offered Warden Reznikov a bribe to facilitate an early release, scheduled to take place today. Kabko's offer comes at an opportune time for Reznikov, as investigations by the United Nations Human Rights Council are underway. A string of recent news articles has exposed violence and even murder as everyday occurrences in Perm 14. Our client suspects that Kabko's release could cause serious diplomatic issues. Both targets must be eliminated, along with Reznikov's mercenary guards, the Siberian Tigers. Note that the prison's regular guards are not sanctioned targets. Now, a riot is brewing in the prison, which could be used to our advantage. Since our client has asked we eliminate the targets clandestinely, you will need to find a way to set the riot off and use it as a cover for the eliminations. I will leave you to prepare. That is Vitaly Reznikov, corrupt warden here at the Perm 14 prison facility. Out of sight, out of mind. Interesting choice, 47. What are you up to? Very clever, 47. They will not discover the body there. That was quite the explosion, 47. Roman Kabko looks to be violently punishing another prisoner. It's not pretty. That is Roman Kabko, high-ranking member of the Russian Mafia and about to be released from prison. Well done, 47. I'm tracking 10 remaining targets. That's Vitaly Reznikov taken care of. Well done, 47. The situation is about to become critical. 47, an alarm went off. They're evacuating. The last target eliminated. Good work as always, 47. The riot should cover our tracks perfectly. I'll wire the money as per usual.